The best way to explain the white toner laser transfer printing phenomenon is the auto industry. Imagine that for years, decades maybe, you've been in the business of achieving the best possible performance at the fastest possible speed, with the most durable engine and lowest possible maintenance cost in order to take your printing business forward. You could choose DTG, for example, but it required a big upfront investment and also pre-treating the garment first with a limited performance to only certain types of cotton fabrics. Alternatively, you could choose dye sublimation, but you could only use it on white polyester fabrics and could not print white. Or you could go a different route that inevitably would prove extremely manual, low resolution, not durable, and not for short runs. In short, if you wanted to build your printing company efficiently, for decades you had to own a Ferrari, an SUV, a Russian tank, and a muscle car just to keep your bases covered. Now, a handful of years ago, word about a new printing technology known as white toner laser transfer printing started spreading like fire among printing connoisseurs. Circa 2014, history has it that Sir Nestor Saporiti and Sir Joe Dovey, two heavy hitters of the printing world, had come up with a game changer. A printing technology that had no limitations with fabrics, no need for garment pre-treatment, virtually no maintenance required, and which delivered very durable digital transfer outputs. And, as if that weren't enough, it allowed for on-demand printing and it was very affordable. Suddenly, white toner transfer printing wasn't just another car company breaking through on the back of a special feature. It was the Tesla of the printing industry. And even those industry experts who were once reluctant now could not help but be captivated by white toner transfer printing.
They have transfers out now that self-weed. There are transfers out now that have stretch additives, so they stretch without cracking. Use white toner combined with like this opaque glue backing so that they're able to print on any color of shirt.
It prints 7,000 pages, so just imagine how long it would be for that thing to actually run out. You're printing for a very, very, very long time. So for $900, you can print 7,000 t-shirts. So all in for this one t-shirt, in order to make it, it cost us roughly $5.65. So is this thing a direct competitor to DTG? Most definitely.
After doing the math, that's about 20 cents per print. Now for the paper. Part A, where you print your design, and part B, the adhesive side, cost about $185 for 100 sheets of each. So let's do the math. 20 cents a print, $1.85 for the papers, that's $2.05 per print.
Put simply, white toner laser transfer printing is a decoration method that is faster than DTG.
In like less than 3 minutes, and that's pretty freaking amazing. Now imagine this. Imagine you have one of those printers, which is all you need, but you have 2 or 4 heat presses going at once. You'll be cranking through shirts fast, man. You can scale up from one printer just by adding more presses to the mix.
You can print and transfer onto any surface, hard, textile, or paper. You can print dye sublimation images onto copy paper at pennies on the dollar. You can print and transfer onto wood, leather, acrylics, ceramic. Just everything you could possibly dream of printing onto, you've got it. You can choose between inexpensive transfers or high-quality transfers, depending on the task at hand. And you can do it all at a very low entry cost for high-end equipment and an affordable operating cost. And when you elevate your white toner laser transfer printing to the power of UniNet iColor, you get the only all-around commercial printing solution versatile enough to accomplish any on-demand short or medium-run job, including the most comprehensive transfer paper selection in the marketplace. The experts in the industry explain it best.
And I just want to be clear, drive this home. All heat transfer laser printers can do the overprinting, but only the iColor 550 can do underprinting in addition to the overprinting. And it's very cool because you can move the cartridges around. That's crazy.
When asked about the next natural step for the future of white toner transfer printing, Sir Saporiti and Sir Dovi, don't hesitate when answering. Our next goal will be launching the red toner printing market on Mars. UniNet iColor. Your future, our business.